Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the puzzle page. Yes, the puzzle page in the weekend edition, Saturday, July the 1st, 2023. First day in the month of July. And we have here in this puzzle page 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars Sudoku. Well, it's not actually 3 stars. It has 28 printed digits. Should be a 1 star. This one also indicated with 3 stars, but this has 26 printed digits, so it should be a 2 stars. We have a killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, binary also with 3 stars indicated. This one has 26 printed digits. This one 27. I will do this one, and a tectonic. So we have 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve. The first one I will solve is the Sudoku with 2 stars. It's indicated with 3 stars, but it's actually at 2 stars. And this one will be number 66 84 6684. Yeah, and 6684. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Told you earlier, 26 printed digits. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. 5, 9, 3. Yeah, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 3 in the first column. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in the first column. Should be there. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me scan. We have a 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So in the row above. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So in the row below. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column. No 9 there. A 9 should be there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in the second column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in the third column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the second column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. And now, we have a 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 and a 3 in this column, last column, so no 1 and 3 in this box, these 2 boxes. The 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the first row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see a 6 in the last row, so no 6 there. Here, 6 in this row, so no 6 there. Only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then, let me see. How about, interesting. 9, 1, 1, okay. How about I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 2. We have a 2 in the third row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here, 2 in the first column, so no 2 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. Okay. And now. 2. How about? Need an 8 there. Need a 1 here. 1, 8. And need a 7 here. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 1, 7, 8. 1, 7, 8, 1, 7, 8, 1, 7, 8. And look, we have a 1 and a 7 in the second row. So no 1 and a 7 in this box. 1 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. So 1 digit left in the first column for number 8. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, let me mark those. 4 and the 6. Alright. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. Oh, wait. We have 3 missing numbers in the second row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 6. Well, we have a 4 and a 6 in this row. 4 and a 6 in the first row. So the row between the only 3 places left for the 4 and the 6 goes in these 3 boxes. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. And look, we have 4 and a 6 in this column. So no 4 and a 6 in this box. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in the second row for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. Alright. 7 and need an 8 here. Need an 8 here. Yeah. Alright. 7 and a 5. Come on. Oh, 4 and a 6. We overlooked this 6 in the third column. So no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 4 goes. There, overlooked. We have a 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Need a 1 here. about the 6s then? And all the 6s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 6. Okay. Alright. 5, 5, 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. Yeah, I'm thinking. 3 here. How about need an 8 here. Well, 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Alright. 2 numbers. Wait. 5 and a 3. 5, 3 and a 2. Need a 2. 2, 2. Okay. 2, 5, and well, need a 7 here. 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2. Come on. Let me see. Need an 8 here. Need a 8 here. Okay. 2, 2. Need a 2 here. Need a no 7 here. Need a 7 here. 1, 1. Come on. Where is the opening? Well, 1, 2, 3, 7, 5, 3. 7, 5, 3, 7, 5. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. And look, we have a 5 and a 7 in this row. So no 5 and a 7 in this box. 5 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 3. And we have a pair again, the 1 and the 3 in this column, the 1 and the 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. 1 and a 7, we have a 1 now in this first row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then, yeah, we have a 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Same numbers for in these 2 boxes in this big square. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and then 9 goes there. Find no 2 numbers in this big square. One number is the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there, finish in 15 minutes. Well. Told you, need 15 to 20 minutes. Definitely a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.